This is Grayson reporting from the AGTD 18. Here at the news station, we've just received some breaking news weather. Here are Annabelle and Desiree to report the scene of the tornado.
Here is how to stay safe during a tornado. When you hear the tornado watch, keep your eyes to the sky and listen to the radio. Get under a heavy workbench or the stairs. Go to the basement or shelter if you have one. If there is no basement, go to a closet on an inside wall, a bathroom, or hallway on the lowest level of the house. Now here is Desiree with more on this terrible storm.
Terrible
storm. Look like a funnel with the fat parts at the top. It sounds like 1,000 trains coming, and it's caused by hot air and cold air mixing together. Back to you, Grayson.
Thanks, Desiree. Be sure to follow those safety procedures. Here is an interesting fact about tornadoes. Mobile homes and trailers are not safe. Now we have Talia here with another interesting fact.
Thank you, Grayson. The interesting fact I like to share is tornadoes are rare in many parts of the United States, but they have occurred in all 50 states. With a proper preparation, we will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check with here in the AGTD 18 for the most current and late breaking news on this storm.
This is Chantel reporting from the Fox News. Here at the news station, we just received some breaking weather news. Here are Nabil and Grace to report on the scene of the hurricanes.
Here are some ways to stay safe. Put boards or storm shutters over windows. Now here is Grace with a description of this terrible storm.
In a hurricane, air is moving all the time, swirling, blowing, rising. Now here is Jonta with an interesting fact.
Thanks, Grace. Be sure to follow those safety procedures. Here is one interesting fact about hurricanes. The storm is so strong that they kill more than all storms combined. Now we have Caroline here with another interesting fact.
Thank you, Jontel. The interesting fact I would like to share is hurricanes have winds of between 74 and 200 miles per hour.
With proper preparation, we will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us here at Fox News for the most current and late-breaking news on this storm.
Bye.
Bye.
This is Dominic reporting from the KMDZ. Here at the news station, we just received some breaking weather news. Here are Kaya and Madison to report on the scene of the winter storm.
Here are 3 ways to stay safe during a blizzard. Have a supply of water, food, and a flashlight. 2. Find your batteries operated. 3. Save and clean 3 large drinks. Here is Madison with a description of this terrible storm.
A blizzard has very heavy clouds of snow. Back to you, Dominic.
Thanks, Madison. Be sure to follow the safety procedures. Here's one interesting fact about winter storms. In the Arctic, there is a 30.30 rule when the temperature is 30 below and the wind is 30 below and the wind is 30 miles per hour. A person can only live for 30 minutes outside. Now we have Zoe here with another interesting fact.
Thank you, Dominic. The interesting fact I would like to share is that you have to cover up with coats and gloves. With proper preparation, we will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us here at the KMDZ for the most current and late-breaking news on this storm.
Bye. This is Zachariah reporting from the Isley Weather News. At the news, you just received some breaking weather news. Here are Sadie and Sophie to report on the scene of the lightning storm.
Thanks, Zachariah. Here are 3 ways to stay safe. Number 1, keep away from windows or doors. Number 2, flying glass can hurt you. Number 3, be in a basement in a lightning storm. Now here is Sophie with a description of this terrible storm.
Lightning storms have clouds that build up. Boom! Thunder and lightning. Back to you, Zachariah.
Thanks, Sophie. Be sure to follow those safety procedures. Here is one interesting fact about lightning. At any moment, there are 2,000 lightning storms. Now we have Jace here with another interesting fact.
Thank you, Zachariah. An interesting fact I would like to share is thunder is almost at every storm. With proper preparation,
We will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us here at the Icy Weather News for a most current and late breaking news on this storm.
Bye.
This is Jordan reporting from the Red Bull News. Here at the news station, we just received some breaking weather news. Here are Ashton and Hayden to report on the scenes of the hurricane.
To stay safe during a hurricane, block the windows with boards and pick up all the small things and laying around in your yard. If you're not close to shore, plan to stay in your home during a storm. Now here is Hayden with a description of this terrible storm.
Hurricanes look like a big circle with a big dot in the middle. Hurricanes sound like stormy wind. It's caused by strong wind. Back to you, Jordan.
Thanks, Hayden. Be sure to follow those safety procedures. Here is one interesting fact about hurricanes. The whole hurricane can be 300 miles now. We have Ashton here with another interesting fact.
Thank you, Jordan. The interesting fact I would like to share is when the hurricane hits the sea may rise as high as 25 feet above normal high tide. With proper preparation, we will be able to weather the harsh storm. Continue to check in with us here at the Red Bull News for the most current and late breaking news on this storm.
Bye.
Bye.